Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start a new book of the stage 9 and starting chapter 1, which is indices, roots and rational numbers. So in this lecture we are going to cover exercise 1, and before moving out to the solution, please visit my website so that you can get the idea what are the other subjects I'm teaching on one-on-one lessons. And if you have any doubt, you can reach out to my mail ID or directly to the WhatsApp number. So let's move to exercise 1. Okay, so this is the exercise 1. And the question number 1 says this table shows some power of 2. Copy and complete the table, and also you have to describe the pattern here. So let's do it. So the power is given. Before side by side I'll be writing the formulas so you guys will not be get confused like how the things are going on. So here the formula is going to be used like if any number has a negative power, then the answer it will look like a raised to power n. If it has negative power, then the whole thing is going to be n denominator. For the same thing, like let's say any number has positive power, then in the denominator there will be 1 and the number is the same. And let's say any number having 0 as power, it means it will give you 1. These are the very important formulas that is going to be used in this chapter very frequently. You have to learn it by heart. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. It says 2 raised to power 4, right? So 2 raised to power minus 4. This formula is going to be used. Apply it. So it's 1 over 2 raised to power 4. Now 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I have multiplied 4 times 2 because the power is 4 here. Now multiply 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So the value comes is 1 over 16. Let's come to 2 raised to power negative 3. 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Now multiply it 3 times. You will get 1 over 8. The value is 1 over 8. Let's come to 2 raised to power minus 2. So 1 over 2 raised to power 2, multiply it 2 times. You got it 4. It's 1 over 4. Same for 2 raised to power minus 1. 2 raised to power minus 1. It's 1 over 2. Okay, so it's 1 over 2. Now for 2 raised to power 0. Here the important thing comes that any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So this is 1. Now 2 raised to power 1, which is 2, right? I said it here, any positive number plus sign is written or not written is the same thing. It's the same number. So 1 is the same number 2, right? So it's 2. Now 2 raised to power 2, which is 2 times, multiply 2 times 2, which is giving you 4. So it's 4. Now 2 times 3, 2 raised to power 3. So multiply 2 times 3 times 2, which is going to give you 8. Now 2 raised to power 4, multiply it 4 times, going to give you 16, right? Okay, now here what you have to describe? You have to describe the pattern. So what is the pattern you are seeing here? 1 over 16, 1 by 8, 1 over 8, 1 over 4, 1 over 2, then 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So what is the pattern you are seeing here? You are seeing that the complete table is shown above. The pattern is that as the power increased by 1, the value doubles, right? Power increased by 1, the value doubles. Power increased by 1, the value got double, right? As you can see here. So in the description or for the describe, we can write the pattern is that as the power increased by 1, the value doubles. Okay, this is the this is how you describe the question number 1, because it is written describe the pattern. So this is the pattern that you were seeing in the question, and this is how you have to describe it as the answer. Okay, now let me clean it. Okay, now the question number 2 comes. Which of these numbers are less than 0? Okay, so see, for 5 raised to power 0, any number raised to power 0 will give you 1. This formula is applied. Now it has negative 2 raised to power minus 2. You have to solve it. So it will look like this. Negative 2 raised to power 2, right? The whole number goes here because it has negative power. Now solve it. 1 by minus 2 times minus 2 will give you 1 over 4, because negative, when you will multiply negative number with negative number, you will get the positive number. Okay, so this is 1, this is 1 over 4. Let's go for negative 2 raised to power minus 3. 2 raised to power minus 3, 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Now multiply it. 2 times 2 times 2, which is 1 over 8. This is 1 over 8. Now minus 3 raised to power minus 1, which means 1 over minus 3, which is also equals to minus 1 by 3. So this is equals to minus 1 over 3. Now for minus 4 raised to power minus 2, it will look like 1 over minus 4 square. So 1 over minus 4 times minus 4, which will give you, so minus is plus, 1 over 16 is equals to 1 over 16. Now minus 5 raised to square. Minus 5 square, which is minus 5 times minus 5, which is going to give you 25, a positive number. It is 25. Now you have to see what the question asks. Which of these numbers are less than 0? This is 1. This is not less than 0. Okay. Then this 1 over 4. It is also not less than 0. Right? It is something 0 point something. Now for 1 by 8. What do you think? 1 by 8 is less than 0? Obviously not. It is 0.125 something approx. It is a negative number here you are getting. So definitely it is less than 0. So yes, this is less than 0. Then you are getting it as positive number. So this is definitely not less than 0. 1 over 16 is not less than 0. Okay, it is 0.0625. Now here it is a positive number. So it is also not less than 0. Okay, now let me clean it. Now question number 3 comes here. Write each number as power of 3. Okay, we have to write each number as power of 3. So for A, 9, how we can write? 3 times 3, which is 3 raised to power 2, right? Now question number B says 1 over 3. How you can write? You can write 3 raised to power minus 1. I hope you don't have any doubt here. Now for question number C, 81, you can write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times 3 will get 81. For question D, 1 over 9, you can write 1 over 3 times 3, which is 1 over 3 square, which is also equals to 3 raised to power minus 2, right? Okay, so let me complete it first. Now for question number E, it says 1 over 27. So how you can write 1 over 3 times 3 times 3, right? Which is 1 over 3 raised to power 3, which is 3 raised to power minus 3. Now for question number F, 243. Wait, question number F is 1. So you can write 3 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Now for question number G, it says 243. So you can write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 5 times 3, you will get 243. Now question number H, it's 1 over 81. So you can do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, you will get 81. So 1 over 3 raised to power 4, which will give you 3 raised to power minus 4. Now write down the answers here. For the first one, it's 3 square, it's 3 raised to power minus 1. For the C one, it's 3 raised to power 4. For D1, it's 3 raised to power minus 2. For E1, it's 3 raised to power minus 3. For F, it's 3 raised to power 0. For G, it's 3 raised to power 5. 3 raised to power 5. For H1, it's 3 raised to power minus 4. Okay, now comes to question number 4. Question number 4 says Rishi has written each set of numbers in order from smallest to largest, but he has made mistakes. Correct the mistakes. Okay. So we have to see what are the mistakes he made. For A, he has written for A 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so see for A what he did. 2 raised to power 0, any number raised to power 0 will give you 1, and 2 raised to power minus 2, so obviously you can solve it. 1 over 2 raised to power 2, which is equals to 1 over 4. Okay, and this is any number raised to power 1 will give you the same number, and for this you can write this one, so it's 1 over 8. So basically it is 1 by 4, 2, then 1 by 8. Now before moving to the question number B, you have to actually arrange it from the smallest to the largest. As you know, I think you can identify the smallest one and the largest one. So the largest one is 2, right? And the smallest one is, it's 1 over 8. then 1 over 4, then 1 comes, then 2 comes. Now you can arrange 1 over 8 is for 2 raised to power minus 3, 1 over 4 was for 2 raised to power minus 2, and 1 is for 2 raised to power 0, and lastly 2 raised to power 1. You can arrange it like 2 raised to power minus 3, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1. Now let's come to question number B. Question number B says 3 raised to power minus 1, 3 raised to power minus 3, 3 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 0. You have to arrange it. So 3 raised to power minus 3 will give you 1 over 3 raised to power 3. So it's 1 over 27. And for this one, will give you 1 over 9. This one will give you the same number 2, and this will give you the 1. Now arrange it. The smallest one is 3 raised to power minus 3, this one, then 3 raised to power minus 2, this one, then 1 comes, then 2 comes, right? 3 raised to power minus 3, 3 raised to power minus 2, 3 raised to power 0, then 2 raised to power 1. Now for question number C, 5 raised to power minus 1, 7 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 1, 1 raised to power minus 1. So it is 1 over 5, 1 over 7, 1 over 2, 1 over 1. Yeah, 1 over 1 is the same number 1. If in the denominator the number is bigger, then definitely it is smaller. Okay. So 1 by 7 is the smallest one. You can write 7 raised to power minus 1. Then 1 over 5, which is 5 raised to power minus 1. Then 1 over 2, which is 2 raised to power minus 1. Then 1 comes. 1 raised to power minus 1 comes. So you can write here 7 raised to power minus 1, then 5 raised to power minus 1, then 2 raised to power minus 1, then 1 raised to power minus 1. Now for question number D. Let me erase it. Okay. Question number D says 3 raised to power minus 1, 5 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power 2, 1 raised to power minus 4. Now solve it. So minus 1 means it's 1 over 3. This is 1 over 5 square, which is 1 by 10. This is 4, and this is 1 raised to power 4, right? Which is also going to give you 1. Okay. So in the denominator, the bigger the number, it is actually smaller. So 1 over 10, which is 5 raised to power minus 1, is the smallest number. Then 1 over 3, which is 3 raised to power minus 1. Then what comes? 1 raised to power minus 4. Then 2 raised to power 2. So the answer is 5 raised to power minus 2, 3 raised to power minus 1, then 1 raised to power minus 4, then 2 raised to power 2. We are done with question number 4. Now let's come to question number 5. It says used greater, smaller, or equal to make correct statement. Okay. If you know question number 5, you can do it by yourself by pausing the video, and don't take a stress. I'm going to solve each and every question. Okay. So it says 3 square and 2 cube. So 3 square, 3 times 3 is 9. 2 cube, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So which one is greater? Obviously 3 square is greater. Now Question number B, 10 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1, right? And then 3 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So this is equal to. Now question number C. 5 raised to power minus 2, which is 1 over 5 times 5, which is 1 over 10. Now 0. 0 is 0. Obviously 5 raised to power minus 2 is greater than 0. Because 1 over 10, you are going to get 0. Something like 0.1, right? It is 0.1. Now for question number D, 2 raised to power minus 5. Let me erase it first. Question number D is 2 raised to power minus 5 and 2 raised to power minus 3. 2 raised to power minus 5 is 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? So I think it is 1 over 32. Then 2 times 2 times 2. This is 1 over 8. Which one is greater? Obviously this one is greater. 1 over 8 is greater. Now for question number E, 0.5 or 2 raised to power minus 1. Question number E, 0.5 or 2 raised to power minus 1. So it's 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is 0.5. So this is equal. Now question number F, 10 raised to power minus 2, which is 1 over 10 into 10, which is 1 over 100, which is 0.01. Then it is 2 square, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. Obviously 2 square is greater. Now for question number G, it says 5 raised to power minus 2. So 1 over 5 times 5, which is 1 over 10, which is 0.1, right? Now 3 raised to power minus 2. So 1 over 3 times 3, which is 1 over 9. So which one is greater? You can compare these two numbers. So 1 over 9 is greater. This one is greater, okay? Now for question number H, 2 raised to power minus 4 and 3 raised to power minus 3. 2 raised to power minus 4 will give you 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 1 over 16. And 3 raised to power minus 3 will give you 3 times 3 times 3, which is 1 over 27. So obviously 1 by 16 is greater. So that's all for question number 5. Let me clean it. Then we will move to the question number 6. Okay, now let's do question number 6. So question number 6a says 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 raised to power 0, right? So it's 2 raised to power 1 over 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, right? Now take the, solve it first. 1 over 4 plus 1 by 1. Now take the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4 is how much? I hope you know how to calculate the LCM, and if you don't know, then say it. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. Here what are the remaining number? 2 times 2 is 4, times 1 is 4. So the LCM is 4 here, plus it is 2. So 1 times 2, you have to multiply here, then 1 times 4. Here 1 plus 2 plus 4 over 4. Now add it. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 over 4. So here answer is 7 over 4. Now let's come to question number B. It says 3 raised to power minus 1 minus 3, 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 3. Now solve it. It is 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 square plus 3 over 1. So 1 over 3 minus 3 square is 9 plus 3 over 1. So the LCM is 9, right? You can write like this. Let me write it here. The LCM is 9. So it's 1 times 3 minus 1 plus 3 times 9. Now do it. 3 minus 1 plus 27 over 9. Now solve it. We'll get 29 over 9. So here the answer is 29 over 9. Now question number C. Let me clean it. Okay. So question number C says 5 raised to power 0 minus 5 raised to power minus 2 plus 5 raised to power 1. So any number raised to power 0 is 1, and it's 1 over 5 square plus 5 over 1. It's the same thing, which is 5. So 1 minus 1 by 10 plus 5. I hope you guys know how to calculate the LCM, and after getting the LCM, how to solve it. If you have any problem, you can comment it down in the comment section. I'll upload a video of how to calculate the LCM and how to solve this type of problem in a separate video. Okay, so the LCM is 10. So 1 times 10 minus 1 plus 5 times 10. Now multiply it. 10 minus 1 plus 50 over 10. You will get 59 over 10. So the answer is 59 over 10. Now for question number D. Question number D says 4 raised to power minus 2 plus 2 raised to power 0 minus 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so 4 raised to power minus 2 is 1 over 4 square plus 1 minus 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So 4 square is 16 plus 1 over 1 minus 1 by 8. So the LCM is 16, right? So 1 plus 1 times 16 minus 1 times 2, because 8 times 2 is 16, so I have multiplied here 2. Now solve it. 1 plus 16 minus 2 over 6. You will get 15 over 16. So 15 over 16 is our answer. Okay, now come to question number 7. It says Sarah thinks that 9 raised to power 0 is greater than 5 raised to power 0 because the powers are the same and 9 is greater than 5. Explain the mistake that Sarah has made. Okay, so I already have told you in the starting that any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. This concept is going to be applied here in this question. If you know the answer, that's great. It means you are able to understand this chapter, because it is going to be these formulas are very basic. It is going to be used frequently in every chapter, not only in this chapter but in every chapter. Okay, so what are her mistake? The mistake is that she incorrectly assumed that the base number determined the value when the power is 0. any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is 1, right? 9 raised to power 0 is also 1. 5 raised to power 0 is also 1, because any number raised to power 0 will give you 1. So this is a mistake that she made. We are done with question number 7 also. Okay, now let's come to question number 8. So question number 8 says complete the statement. Question number A is 3 raised to power 2 is equals to how much raised to power 1. So 3 square is 9, right? 9 raised to power 1 is 9. So the answer is here 9. Now for question number B, 2 raised to power minus 2 is equals to how much raised to power minus 1. So 2 raised to power minus 2 means 1 over 2 raised to power 2, right? Which is 1 over 4. So this is 4 raised to power minus 1, right? We can write it 4 raised to power minus 1. So this is our answer, 4 raised to power minus 1. We can write here 4. Now question number C. Question number C says what will be here? Okay, is equals to 2 raised to power 6. So solve it. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How you gonna write? It's 4. This is 4. And this is 4, right? So this is 4 raised to power 3. So 3 is 4 raised to power 3 is our answer. Now question number D. Question number D says 5 raised to power how much is equals to 0.04, right? So 0.04 is how much? 4 over 100, right? So 4 over 100, when you will simplify it, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 25 is 100, so 1 over 25. And 1 over 25, how you can write? 1 over 5 times 5, which is 1 over 5 square, which is 5 raised to power minus 2. Minus 2 is our answer. Here will be minus 2. So here it should be minus 2. Let me erase it. Now question number 9 comes here. It says simplify each expression. Leave your answer in index. Okay, here the question number 9 comes. It says simplify each expression. Leave your answer in index form. Okay. So it is 3 raised to power 9 times 3 raised to power 4. This is question number A. So let me tell you one thing. Here the important formula comes, that if the base is same, these are called the base. Okay, if the base is same, which is 3, yes, this is also same, then, and if there is a multiplication, then power will be added. Let's say the base is same, then power will be added. It will be n plus m. Okay, and if base is same and power is different and there is a division, then it will be, answer will be the base will be same, the power will be in the subtracted form. These two formulas are very important and it is going to be used very frequently, remember it. Okay, let's come for question number A. See, the base is same, multiplication is there, so we have to use this formula. So we'll use 3n plus m, which is 9 plus 4. So it is going to give you 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. So 3 raised to power 13 is our answer. We can write 3 raised to power 13. Now for here, For question number B, it says 5 raised to power minus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 7. So again this same formula is going to be applied. So we'll write 5 minus 2 plus 7. So plus minus is minus, but the sign of the bigger number will be written there. So it will be 5 raised to power 5. Now for question number C, 4 raised to power minus 4 divided by 4 raised to power 3. So second formula is going to be used here because the division sign is there. So 4 m minus n, which is minus 4 minus 3. Minus minus is plus, the sign will remain negative. So it will be minus 7, which is 4 raised to power minus 7. Now question number D, it says 6 raised to power minus 3 times 6 raised to power minus 2. So first formula is going to be used here. 6 minus 3 plus minus 2, right? So 6 raised to power minus 3 minus 2, plus minus will give you minus. Now minus minus is plus, but sign will remain same. So it's 6 raised to power minus 5. So for the answer is 6 raised to power minus 5. Now for question number E, 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power minus 5. Second formula is going to be used here. So 2 raised to power 6, division is minus minus 5. For the division it's minus and minus is already there. So minus minus is plus. So 2, 6 plus 5, which is going to be 2 raised to power 11. Now question number F comes here. Question number F says 7 raised to power minus 5 divided by 7 raised to power minus 2. So second formula is going to be used. So 7 raised to power minus 5, for division minus, and there is minus 2, so we'll write minus 2. Now 7 minus 5, minus minus is plus 2, so plus minus is minus, and here will be 3 because we are writing the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 5. So our answer is 7 raised to power minus 3. Let me erase all these. Okay, let's come to question number G. Question number G says 5 raised to power 0 multiplied by 5 raised to power minus 6. Any number raised to power 0 is 1, but we don't have to do that. We have to apply the formula. First formula is going to be used because multiplication sign is there. Okay, so 5 raised to power 0 plus minus 6 will give you 5 raised to power minus 6. This is our 5 raised to power minus 6 is the answer. Now for question number H, 4 raised to power minus 5 raised to power 2. If something is written like this, then you have to multiply the power, which is 5 times 2, which is 4 raised to power minus 10. 4 raised to power minus 10. Now question number I, it says 3 raised to power minus 1, 3. You have to multiply the powers. Minus 1 times 3 will give you minus 3. So the answer is 3 raised to power minus 3. Now question number J, 3 raised to power 6 times 3 raised to power minus 5 times 3 raised to power 3. Multiplication is there, you have, and the base are same, which is 3. You just have to add the powers. So 3 raised to power 6 plus minus 5 plus 3. Now add it. So 3 raised to power 6 plus minus is minus plus 3. Now do it. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So it is going to be 6 raised to power 4. Now question number K. Question number K says 2 raised to power 7 times 2 raised to power minus 4 divided by 2 raised to power 8. Okay, now base are same. First do this one. So 2 raised to power 7 plus minus 4, then divided by 2 raised to power 8. Okay, now do it. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3, divided by 2 raised to power 8. Now apply the second formula. 2 raised to power 3 minus 8, which is going to give you 2 raised to power minus 5. For question number K, the answer is 2 raised to power minus 5. Now question number L. Question number L says 5 square divided by 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power minus 7 multiplied by 5 raised to power minus 7. Let's solve this one first. So base are same, there is a division, so power will be subtracted. 4 minus 4, wait, is it 4? No, it's a square. Here is square. So 2 minus 4 and paste it here as it is. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power minus 7. Now there is a multiplication sign and the base are same. Power will be added. 5 raised to power minus 2 plus minus 7. Now 5 negative 2 plus minus is minus 7. Now solve it. Minus minus is plus, but the sign will remain negative. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Answer is 5 raised to power minus 9. Let me erase it. Okay, now let's come to question number 10. Question says simplify each expression, leave your answer in index form. Question number A is 3 raised to power minus 5, 3 raised to power 5, 3 raised to power minus 3, then 3 raised to power 4. You have to solve it. We'll apply this formula. There is a multiplication, base are same, so power will be added. So add it. 3 raised to power 5 and plus minus is minus to minus 3 and it will be 3 raised to power 4. So 5 minus 3 is how much? It's 2 and here 4. Now base are same. You can write this as 3 square divided by 3 raised to power 4, right? Now you can apply the second formula here, which is base are same, there is a division sign, so power will be subtracted. So 2 minus 4, which will give you 3 raised to power minus 2. So our answer is 3 raised to power minus 2. Okay, now question number B. Question number B says 5 raised to power minus 4, 5 raised to power 7, 5 raised to power 0. Now let's do it. Here the base are same, powers are different, there is a multiplication sign, so power will be added. Minus 4 plus 7 divided by 5 raised to power 0. Now it will be 5 raised to power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 0. You can write like this, divided by 5 raised to power 0, which is 5 raised to power 3 minus 0, which is 5 raised to power 3. Now question number C. 6 raised to power 5, 6 square multiplied by 6 raised to power minus 1. So 6 raised to power 5, solve the denominator, base are same, powers are different. There is a multiplication sign, so powers will be added. So 6 raised to power 2 plus minus is minus 1. So 6 raised to power 5 here, 6 raised to power 1, right? So here you can write like this, divided by 6 raised to power 1, which is going to give you 6 raised to power 5 minus 1, which is 6 raised to power 4. Now question number D. Question number D says 7 raised to power 5 multiplied by 7 raised to power 1 over 7 raised to power minus 3. Okay, now solve it. So base are same, powers are different. There is a multiplication sign, so power will be added. 5 plus 1 here, 7 raised to power minus 3. 7 raised to power 6, 7 raised to power minus 3. You can write this term as 7 raised to power 6 divided by 7 raised to power minus 3. Base are same, powers are different, and there is a division sign. It means you have to apply the second formula. The power will be subtracted. 7 raised to power 6 minus 3. So 6 plus minus is plus. So it's 6 plus 3 is 9. Our answer is 6 raised to power 9. 7 raised to power 9. Okay, so we are done with exercise 1. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video and you want me to upload more videos in this channel related to IGCSE curriculum and the solution of the booklets, please hit the like button, share it with your family members and friends, so I will get motivated to upload the videos regularly. So that's all for today's lesson. And if you have seen any mistakes during solving these, you can comment it down. You can mention it in the comment section that yes ma'am, you did this mistake during solving. Maybe I slipped my mind or something, it happens during solving these problems. So if you see any mistake in the solution, you can comment it down. And please like, share and subscribe my videos so I'll get motivated and upload the regular videos in this channel. Thank you dear, thank you for staying till the end. That's it from my end. Please study hard and give your best. Thank you.